Now with the another chakra on top, that is one, as he's told you the diseases, I'm telling you the positive side of it. When this chakra is caught up, he must have told you develop breast cancer and all that. But when it is awakened, you get all the security of the world. You are never insecure, you are never bothered, you have no fear of anything. You do not have to suggest yourself that you should not have any fear or anything, you just become fearless. There's nothing like fear. There is no reaction to any threat or anything. Like the gentleman who came here just to beat me, and I was just looking at the drama. And the fellow was getting frightened of me, he was going backward, he would not come forward. But you don't develop any fear at all about anyone because you are standing on truth, like Christ. At the time when he was challenged, you must know when Mary Magdalene was beaten up, he stood up. He had nothing to do with a prostitute, such a virtuous man. He was virtue personified. He stood up. He said, those who have not committed any sin can throw a stone at me. He was sure nobody can do it because he was an authority of virtue. As I told you, I am just a woman, and I spoke openly with the names of these people and told them what they are going to do and how they are going to possess you. And people came, they were frightened, they said, what are you doing? So you get rid of all your fear, but you do not dominate anyone. You love. In your love, you are secured. It's not by domination, but the security that you are love, you are compassion, and the power of love is the highest of all, that you stand in complete peace and bliss. This happens to you when the central thing comes up. There are many other things happen. You can become a poet. So many things happen with this because you become such a compassion. Such a compassion. And when this compassion starts working, you are given all the help that is needed. Then another chakra, I'm going a little fast because after all you understand that there isn't much time today. I've been speaking and speaking every day. It's a marathon race for me. So I'll try to make it short now. Is the Vishuddhi chakra, as he told you, is very important. This is America. Vishuddhi chakra is America in the universe. America is the Vishuddhi chakra, and the star is the Saturn. There are 17 of them. 16 is the planet moving round. There's a 16 centers there, and the 17th is Vishuddhi itself. It's a very important thing that this center is America, so America has the responsibility of transformation. They have to take up the responsibility of transforming the whole world. Instead of that, they themselves are getting ruined. They are killing themselves. There is no fear from outside, I tell you. We are going to be ruined from inside. What a responsibility you have, and what we are doing, you should see to that. That's why so many seekers are born here. But they do not feel the responsibility of transformation. They will. One day it will come, they will have to feel. Once they are awakened, I am sure they will feel that responsibility. This very important center, as he must have told you, by the virtue of this, on the gross we develop a face which is very relaxed and attractive and good looking. We develop eyes which are full of compassion. We develop a face which is innocent, which is very smooth, and which has got a capacity to express its feeling. The smallest of feelings can be expressed through this center. It looks after your nose, your ears, everything improves with this. You develop it. Now, I can't hear anything if a non-Saj Yogi speaks to me. It's a very funny thing. Unless and until that person is very close, I just can't hear what he's saying. To me, it's all what you call blah, blah, blah. But a Saj Yogi, if he speaks to me, I can hear very well. The whole thing changes. The whole sensitivity changes. You start understanding what music is good for your spirit. You start understanding what is good for your eyes to be seen. Because you just don't like to see that is something that is horrid. You just don't enjoy it. You feel like vomiting. You see something horrid, you just feel like vomiting. You become so sensitive, you can't imagine, to virtue and to goodness. Automatically it happens to you. I don't have to tell you. I have seen people have changed overnight. The whole idea is that the light has to be brought in for you to see for yourself. And when it happens, you'll be amazed. You become such a different, wonderful person. There's everyone in America has Abraham Lincoln within them, which has to be just awakened. And you'll find that that great personality can be shown in you when it happens to you. It has to happen to all of you to feel that greatness that lies hidden within you. I cannot elaborately tell you about Vishuddhi Chakra, what they call the Krishna consciousness, but not this Krishna consciousness, which has made people actual beggars. They are begging on the streets. You go in India, in the villages, about they were going to beat these people, they thought they are Krishna consciousness. They wouldn't get places in the hotels because they thought they are Krishna consciousness. Because these people were lost, they had no money left with them, now they are begging in India. Imagine how can we afford to have these beggars there? They have no money with them, they cannot come back, they don't know what to do with them, and so many you will find in the villages just begging. So this kind of thing, that imagine a person who is being blessed by Sri Krishna, who is the deity on this center, should beg. He is the one who is the giver of complete wealth. Why should you beg? This is the thing they don't understand. Just the opposite of what they are supposed to. There are lots of stories of Krishna, how he blessed people with wealth. It is to be seen sometimes. If you have time, I may have time, then we might be able to see all those beautiful things that he did.